Hi everybody, it's your girl Wandeka, originally from Jamaica. It's been a while since I've been on camera, so I wanted to come on, say hi, happy holidays, and I also wanted to show you my December journals. I have two, one that's passport size and one that's giant letter size, a little bit bigger than letter size. Some things have changed since the last video, and I'll just clue you in. I should say that this was going to be the book. I even expanded the spine like I showed you, but I realized that it had the capacity to hold a lot more signatures than I had before. So now it has 8 signatures. Yeah, and I've decided this is going to be from March to October, so I'm gonna go back and actually continue the year and update as much as I can from what I remember, from what I have documented in other ways in this book. And so because of that, because I had already done January and February separately, I knew that I would have enough to do from March to October. I do have that November book, and then I realized too that I wouldn't be happy just having one signature for December, so I created another book. And so this is an old history book that I just took out the insides and did the same thing with putting some chipboard in the spine, wrapping it with fabric, and it has the red for Christmas. I also made this other book thinking that maybe because my January and February books are so tiny that if I do want to go back, I can do January and February in this book as well, give myself more space to work, or it could be for next year. Another thing I wanted to show you is that this is another volume from this, and I think what I'll do is either keep this for next Christmas or it will be January, February next year. We'll see. But now I have options. What I had worked on, I just transplanted in here. I basically used a large calendar, one of those flip ones that you put on the wall, because I wanted to make sure I had space to write things, as I definitely do a lot more journaling this month, and so it would be populated more. I'm just using 3-in-1 glue, and I did work in the larger book that I showed you first, but I'm going to put it in the new book. What I did was just pasted the full pages in the new book. I had to change some of the background for the second version, but I got to keep a lot of the original collage. What I've done so far, started to populate the calendar, and I'm going to do a page for each, just as I've done before. I think I even have some left over. I'm hoping that I won't have it too bulky, because this spine is a little bit bigger than the first version was, but it's not as big as I know that my Christmas books can get. So I'll have to make sure that I keep the pages not too thick. So right now I just have some Christmas paper in there and some tea-dyed paper. Let's get started. So I had to wait for the pictures to come. And so I had to remind myself of what picture would go where, because it needed, I only sent from the 7th to Walmart to get printed, and it took so long that now we're almost now at the 15th of December. And so what I did, just to make sure that I know what happens each day, is that I put these sticky notes down, indicate what was happening, what picture would go there, and just look back on my Google Photos and looked at the date, which is really great to keep track of what's going on this month. So that's how I'm able to know what to do when I do these kind of backtrack videos. So I finally got the photos and was able to organize them by day and just to remind myself of what happened, so it would help me with the spread. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed that. I will be coming back with another installment. I probably have a couple of videos showing you the other days leading up to Christmas and maybe beyond, because as I said, I get fired up this time when I'm done with the semester. I've graded all my assignments and I can spend some time just playing with my crafts and writing, but mainly doing crafts. I missed it so much. Alright, so I'll see you next time. I soon come. Walk good.